Oh, what the fuck, you're a fucking sick fucking junkie, but I can't not take your money, but just know the respect that I didn't have for you already has just grown that much more.
Yeah, whatever man, just give me my crack so I can go get fucked up.
I ain't got shit for you fucking junkie.
Wait, what are you talking about? I gave you the $60 already, just give me my shit so I can go.
Fuck you, fucking junkie, you are beat. Beat, now get out of here.
Beat? What do you mean beat? Come on man, just give me my shit.
Beat, you ain't getting shit, this is my money, fuck you, and whatever you had to do to get it, fucking junkie.
Come on man, don't be like that, I worked hard for that money, you can't just take it and not give me nothing for it.
I just did, bitch, now, get the fuck out of here, and don't come back until you got some money fucking junkie.
Man, you ain't right for that. See, if I ever buy from you again, I can't take this being a junkie shit no more. I am broke, homeless and just sucked off to cops. I need to clean my act up.